All right, today Chad and I are going to be doing a walk around and test drive of this badass looking 1970 Camaro. Finished in a hugger orange, white stripes, cowl hood, split bumper, just a cool all around muscle car. It's just ready to get in and squeal some tires.
It does, it has everything. We have such good luck with 70 to 73 split bumper Camaros here. And this is not a real RS car, guys. We're not selling it as one. You can tell it's got the split bumper. So for the novice people, it looks like an RS split bumper car. But if it was a true RS, it'd have the turn signals up above. So got the SS emblems, got the front spoiler, got the rear spoiler. Just a fantastic looking car, you guys. And like Dalton said, done in a hugger orange with white stripes. And a lot of eye candy under the hood.
Yep, nice looking under the hood. Was a factory air car that's not hooked up now. You don't have the compressor or anything like that. But, beautiful under the hood, really.
Check the code on that, will you, for paint code, please? Yeah, really nice. Chrome alternator. 67. Check that. Do you have your phone on you? Want to check that paint code? Everywhere I seen on this car, guys, was orange. So we're gonna check and see what the original color was here. Code number 67. It's got headers on it. It's got power steering, power disc brakes up front. Like I said earlier, chrome everywhere. Chrome power steering.
It would have been
bracket.
Classic copper.
Classic copper. Okay. The reason
orange is 65.
Okay. The reason I asked that is if you go underneath this car, it has all of its original orange red oxy, kind of the orange or just red oxy primer on it. So go to our website, you guys, coyoteclassics.com. This car is 100% rust free underneath. Jason power washed it for about an hour and a half, and I'll tell you what, it's super clean and solid underneath. We'll go around to the back here and as I mentioned before, I mean, this isn't an absolutely perfect car, but it is a gorgeous driver, isn't it?
Yeah.
The white,
70.
yeah, fantastic. The chrome around the tail lights all looks good. It's been buffed to a gray shine, new back bumper. I love the smaller spoiler on here. I'm a big fan of that. I'm gonna go ahead and open the trunk. If we go in the trunk, you guys, it's all speckled very nice and clean there as well. Again, go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. You'll see trunk pictures, about 100 pictures, but most importantly, you'll see all the undercarriage and stuff too. But here's what I wanted to show you guys. Just look how solid it is. Perfect rust-free underneath. The trunk spackle is all excellent. Very clean in here. It's got the nice mat. One thing it does need is it needs the spring to hold the trunk lid up. But as far as when they did the jams, they did a decent job on the jams. It's all, you don't see any of the original color anywhere that I've seen.
Yeah, good color change.
I love the classic Cragar SS's on it as well.
Yeah, big old tires on the back too. Looks nice.
Try to get my shadow out of the way here. A few little paint imperfections. They just didn't, not bubbles or nothing like that. They just didn't like finish the, got a couple little scrapes down there.
SS badges, not a super sport car. Adds a little horsepower though, having those badges on there.
It makes it sound better or what? Windshield's in excellent shape. They replaced that. The chrome around the windshield bumpers are excellent as well. It's got the dual sport mirrors on it. As we look in the door jambs, as far as the paint goes, not quite as nice as the paint on the outside, but they got good coverage. It's all orange as well there. Door panels are in great shape. Corner of the door had a little bit of work done on this corner right here. You can see some cracks in the paint. Older restoration on it. Really nice interior. The dash pad is excellent. It's got a super sport steering wheel, not only SS out in the front, it's got a super sport steering wheel on it as well. Factory buckets, console, 39,190 miles on it. On the odometer, probably 130. Inside corner of the door is perfect. No Bondo, no rust there at all. Same thing, look at the back side of the fenders, you guys. Very, very solid original body, and you'll see that when you go to our website. It's got the correct 70 bucket seats. It's got the short headrest in it. Back seat is perfect. It's got all the GM seat belts. Carpet's all been redone. Door panels in the back, door panels in the front are excellent. Headliner needs to be retightened. It's all there. It's just whoever put it in didn't use a steamer and tighten it. So it definitely could be tightened up if you don't have to replace the headliner. It's got plenty of material there for that. Inside the glove box, there is a radio in here as well. What I like, it's got an AM FM Chevy cassette in there. That works. It's got the original AM Delco in here as well. That looks beautiful. Didn't cut the dash up. Gas gauge works on it as well, so nice and clean. Man, I love the Hugger orange though. Worst part of the car, as far as you can see just a little blend line.
If I get my shadow out of there.
You can see a little blend line right here. And when it's sunny like this, you can't even hardly see it. You can't even see it. But in the shade, you can see it. It's got just a little paint imperfection right here on this drip rail and that blend line right there. Back glass looks good. Chrome looks good around the back.
Driver door fits nice.
Yeah, it's a really good, like I said, it's a great looking car and a nice straight car. Three little paint chips right here, very small. Here's the undercarriage, guys. Like I said, all original primer. Very solid floors. Driver's side corner of the door is just like the other side, just a little bit of body filler in there in the very corner, which kind of surprises me because the inside bottom corners are really good. The lower fenders are rust free inside there as well. So, but these cars all have their own histories, Dalton. Every one of them has their own story. Seats are in great shape. Cord is excellent. It's got the retractable seat belts, which are nice. Really nice. It does have it's got a horn button on it, so the horn does work. Wipers are good. I like that somebody got rid of the old-fashioned seatbelt button.
Yeah, no kidding. It's one of those annoying things.
Power steering works nice. It's a power disc brakes.
I swear today, as the day goes on, it's been getting hotter. So it's 6 o'clock here, and it's warmer than it was earlier.
Yeah, it was such a nice day out though, but it is getting damn warm now. Gas gauge works, speedometer works. As far as everything else, guys, it's just all factory temp light, oil light, generator light. Here's our brakes. We do have disc brakes on it. It stops nice and straight. On the road great. Probably just a nice 275, 300 horse, 350.
Nice running car.
Yeah, it's a fantastic car. I love the color, I love the wheels, the stance, the spoilers. But best of all, I mean, it's just sit back in the seat, give her hell and go.
Yeah, comfortable.
80 mile an hour. It's super nice. Stops great. Not much much else I can say about it. Nice dash, just a turnkey, nice, clean driver.
Yeah. Hop on the website, check out that undercarriage photos. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to give us a call.